Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And guys, I am so excited. You guys pulled that teamwork together and got me well over my 12,000 subscribers that I was looking for. I am like so thankful, so blessed beyond words. I I don't even know how to describe it. I don't know what to say. It's just a beautiful feeling, and I thank you guys so much. I'm at 12,072. So when I said I only needed 16, you guys went in, and you guys went in hard, and I am so appreciative of you. I don't even know what to say or how to say it, but I'm just thankful, humble, and blessed. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So guys, the video that we're going to focus on today is going to be a penny shopping video. And I decided, you guys know I'm not a huge penny shopper. And this will be my first all penny shopping haul. And the reason why I decided to do this is because over the clearance event, I found a whole bunch of pennies. And they were pennies that I forgot about, things that pennied like 4 or 5 months ago. You might forget about them. So I said, let me show everyone what these are so that if you're out there and about and you see them, you can grab them for a penny. Some of the employees even forgot that they're a penny. But guys, it's amazing how these penny items reappear, especially during clearance events or after a clearance event, because what happens is the employees and the managers and things, they're cleaning, on top of shelves, behind shelves, underneath shelves, things in the storage area. They find bins and boxes, things they forgot about, things they forgot to bring down, things they forgot to restock or whatever. And now they've pennied, so now they put them out, and now you can get stuff for a penny. Or they forget that they pennied and that they're supposed to ship them back. So instead of sending them back to the store, getting rid of them, sending them back to the warehouse and get rid of them, they put them out by mistake, and that is a good thing for us. So I'm going to show you guys the things that I got. Now, some of the stuff, most of the stuff I got over the clearance event. Some of the stuff I got this morning, like the Valentine's Day stuff. So we'll start with that, and then I'll go into the other stuff, okay? And I'll show you the UPCs and everything. So for those of you who are new to penny shopping, I'm also going to show you how you can tell if something is a penny or not when you're in the Dollar General store and you're shopping, okay? So first, let's start with our Valentine's Day items. Just about all the Valentine's Day stuff has penny. The decor, the socks, the candy, but I'm going to show you what I got. So I got these Valentine's Day candy hearts, and some of you guys might be like, why are you buying Valentine's Day candy? It has Valentine's Day on it. It's not gonna be any good. You can't use it. Well, let me show you. First of all, you guys can buy this candy and donate it to shelters. Give it to somebody homeless on the street. They would love to have a sweet treat. You can donate it to orphanages. They love candy. They don't care that it has Valentine's Day on it. But look, guys, they don't expire until May of 2025. So we have a whole year to use these, okay? You can't hardly read the print, but it says May of 2025. Here is the UPC on it. I'm going to show you the UPCs. So you could do a couple things with these guys. You could do like me, and you could just eat them now, because I'm a big candy chocolate fiend. So I'm eating these now, all right? I'm not saving these for next year or whatever. I'm getting my chocolate fix on for 1 penny. Or you could save them till next year to Valentine's Day, because again, they don't expire until May 2025. And actually, that's just the date they have to be off the shelf. They're still good a couple months after that date. That's just the sell by date. Okay. For those of you who make baskets, Get these and put them up until next year for your Valentine's Day baskets. You are saving a lot of money by getting them for a penny. Okay, so that's that size. But then I also got, oh, wait a minute. Let me show you guys something else. So for those of you that are new to penny shopping or just don't know how to do it, and you're not sure if something's a penny or not, so you have your Dollar General app up, okay? You want to go right here to where those three, see right there, those three buttons, three lines. You want to click that, okay? I don't know why I did that. So click that again. And then this comes up for you to scan. So you can either scan it, take the barcode, and scan it, okay? And there, it'll pop up. Or, see right there, it says enter barcode manually. You click that, and then you can enter the barcode. So I'm going to do it just to show you. 041761102091. And then you hit submit barcode, and boom, it comes up. So when it comes up, okay, there's the name of the item, and it will say 000, okay, or it will say 0.01. Either way, 000 or 0.01, this is a penny item. It doesn't matter if it says doesn't sold or any does not sell or items not sold. It's a penny item, okay? And then if you scroll down, if there's any coupons that attach, you want to make sure you click on that coupon. Now, if you are at an old store and there's a coupon that attaches and it's a penny, then you will get overage. So say there was maybe $1 coupon on this, then I would get 99-cent overage. If you're at a new store with a new system, and how do you know if you're at a new system? New system means there's a keyboard, there is a touch screen for the register. Old system, there's a keyboard at the register. If you're at a new system store, you do not get overage. You just get the item for free. Okay. All right. So that's that one. Now here is another one. This is a bigger heart. Okay. And again, doesn't expire till 5/25. This one has 8 pieces, and this one has 4, I guess. So it's like double the size. This is 1.6 ounce, and this is 3.2. Yeah, so the little one has 4, the big one has 8. Okay, here's the UPC for the big one. Now, Valentine's Day items, guys, just pennied this morning, Tuesday, March 5th. They were 90% off during the clearance event. So today, Tuesday, March 5th, they are now a penny, 1 penny. Okay, this is something else that I got. The Valentine's Day 9-foot tinsel garland. Okay, and it says Happy Valentine's Day on it. Okay, 1 penny. Okay, that is all the Valentine's Day stuff I got. Oh, no, wait, here. I also got this heart. It's a tinsel heart. Tinsel heart for 1 penny. Oh, let me give you the UPC for this tinsel. This is the UPC for the 9-foot tinsel. So guys, even if you type this in, again, even if your store says it's not sold there or 0 inventory, I wouldn't trust that. I would still go to my store just to check, just in case, because the website and the app are run by a third-party company, so they're not always accurate. I've found that out so many times. Okay, so here is the UPC for the tinsel heart. And this tinsel heart is like red and magenta, all different colors, okay? But that was 1 cent. So that is everything I got for Valentine's Day. Now, let me tell you guys, I found Christmas stuff. Look, these two, they're 2-piece coffee to go tumblers. There's 2 in a pack. They're really nice. Look, 2 lids, 2 cups. And they say different things on them. So this one's red and this one's green. See the 2 different sayings? One say, I run on coffee and Christmas cheer. And this one says, coffee-headed ninny muggins. Okay? Let me show you the UPC. Again, these are from Christmas and they are 1 penny. Here's this one. So they have 2 different UPCs. Sometimes things like this have the same UPC, even though they're different colors. But in this case, they're different UPCs. So I just want to show them to you. So don't give up, guys. You just never, ever know when you're going to find a penny. So, like, to me, this is the perfect example of scan everything in the store, okay? Look at these cute unicorn napkins. These were a part of the party section. They are so cute. And there's 16 napkins in here. They're 2-ply. Here is the UPC. And then I also found the matching tablecloth. Okay. It's 54 inch. It's oblong or square. 54 by 84 inches. It's reusable, washable, and waterproof. And here is the UPC. So I thought that was really cute. I'm going to do a unicorn Easter basket. And I'm going to put that in there because little girls can use that for their tea parties and all kind of stuff. Hand sanitizer. Guys, I need this so bad. So bad. I actually ran out of sanitizer. Okay, I wanted to reposition my camera, guys. So this hand sanitizer, like I said, I needed this bad because I ran out and I was actually going to pay full price for sanitizer. But I found some for a penny. So here, let me give you the UPC for that. And guys, I didn't find all these pennies at one store. Like, I went to a store out of town that's like 45 minutes away from me and found some things. And then I found some things at my home store where I always go. And then I also found some things on my way back home in another city. So I think I went to like maybe 5 different Dollar Generals and consumed all of these penny items. Guys, I was like happy to find this. It's Suave Cocoa Shea Nourishing Lotion. A penny. And let me give you the UPC for it. Like I said, some of this stuff pennied a while ago is just reappearing. All right, guys, so stay tuned for part 2. Part 2 will show you the rest of these penny items. I didn't want to make each video very long, but I wanted to show them all to you. I will connect the part 2 to this video.